Hey there, Pipers. Just got done with breakfast at Waikiki Drive-In.
Didn't have any problem keeping
I'm gonna hit my local smoke shop. I got a call from my pops. He needs some more cigars, so since we're in town, I'm gonna hit them up. I'm listening to Angela right now. Put it on hold. Watching some YouTube while I wait for the wife. She's shopping at Walgreens. Packing my bowl. Got my hacker. Packing it up with some cherubim. So yeah, hopefully what's next on the agenda that I got for you guys. Shit, here comes the wife too. We're gonna take you through Waikiki really quick, and then we're gonna hit the scenic routes. Waikiki is really the touristy area, but got some pretty interesting stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. What?
Yep. I'm on you.
We are. You are. Very girl. So we just left Tobaccos of Hawaii, our smoke shop. Got my Jake Hackard with a little cherry bean in it. And since we're so close to Waikiki, we're going to take you guys swinging through town there. So you can take a look at all the tourists, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna just see beautiful downtown Waikiki. Here we go. Palm trees everywhere. A really huge donut on the side of the road. What the fuck is that? Family heading on their vacation. Oh yeah, there you go, Eric the Red, Hilton Hawaiian Village. Bringing back memories. Breakfast. 2 in the morning in my back part.
But you won't take me.
Yeah, it's like a goddess place. No women allowed. Tony Romas! Driving accident! Alright, here we go, the main strip. Maybe we can see the Silver Man, the Gold Man, or maybe even Elmo's up today. I thought it would be more busy.
More packed, yeah.
You know, the little shops and stuff.
It's too fast. It's okay.
Stop here for a second.
PF Chang's.
Oh. And a Starbucks on every corner. See, Sparky, you gotta come down here, brother. You get you some Starbucks in Hawaii.
Oh, check out that car. If you spot anyone in bikinis, I'll try to capture them.
You will?
Yeah.
Wahinis and bikinis. Probably see someone get closer to the beach.
Yeah.
Nothing.
know if you dress up as Elmo for your job, you go home and just get wasted.
That's not his job. He does it because he's a fucking weirdo.
Oh.
He's like a silver guy.
Yeah, but I mean, that's his job. That's how he makes money.
Hey, big ass fucking buzzing away.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, live firearms. Come to Hawaii and blow shit up.
Yeah, some guy had on a sandwich board that said live firearms. There we go. Some beach action.
Run over the hooker action. Get up the fucking road, you dumb bitch. Oh, dang. I wonder if there's a surf competition today.
Looks kind of that way. Okay, walking to the middle of the road, lady.
I need to get the hell over anyway. Oh, okay.
Here's the beach. It's so pretty.
Fuck, look at that all the way out there. Do you see that?
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Go forward a little bit.
Oh,
right in that guy's ear. I'm gonna go slow as I can anyway. Of that beautiful adventure. So now I'm gonna try and get on what's called the Pali Highway, and I'm gonna take you to the lookout and get you guys some scenery and shit. Hope you've been having fun so far. If not, well, you know what to do. All right.